Are we live? Someone just liked the video. Oh, yeah, live. Alright, I don't know how everyone's doing, but I hope your day is better than mine. Woke up, the printer is broken. And by that I mean nothing there. It's broken, so I have to recalibrate everything. On and more. Is it? Love the elevator music. Oh yeah! Yeah, I just gave up on. Oh my god! Give me a shout if my sound, I tried a new mic today, so it might peak. And just so give me a sound if that was the case. Woo. Anyway, so where was I? Yes. Sorry to hear. Ah, right. That's a whole. Oh, where was I? Yes, the printer broke, so I had to recalibrate the T0. That was easy. Well, the thing that made it hard was my bit where the part where it's actually hard for me. I was too lazy to actually try to just sat down and fix the printer. So I spent like 3 hours just sitting in bed, like because my bed's right next to the printer. I'm just sitting in bed, trying to poke around the software, trying to like fix it via software. And it took until about like an hour ago, I don't know, 2 ago, before I just gave up and sat down and fixed the thing, which is finally working. But ultimately, yeah, actually, while we're still in the settings screen, let's talk about this thing here. So, what the hell is this? This is the base of a. Let's not do it here now. Let's do the main screen where I can show it off the model itself. So 3 seconds. Then copy that on that side. So. Yeah, gonna be. Oh wait, actually, just because I'm gonna tell you why in a minute, but I am going to make a copy. Oh my! I'm gonna make a copy of what I have made thus far. Get it 06, 0.6. Yeah, not in the precat. I just lost the visual. One sec. There we go. Alright, so this is the base bit of a active air filtration system that I'm building for my printer. Once again, for the 3D printer. And what I've been trying to do in the catalyst. Let me turn on the fan assembly here. Not that one. Oh wow. Oh, it's a cluster. Oh yeah, it's a cluster. What's the curse word? Curse word that I can say early on in the YouTube stream. A cluster something. And here. But yeah, so actually, yeah, there we go. Yeah, we got an overlap. Right, so if this is what it's supposed to look like. There's a 297mm fan supposed to go in here and going like that. On the other side, I was hoping to put down a servo and a trap door, so which is this orange thing in the center here. I just flip in and out and let the air go wherever it wants to. Yada yada yada. Good job, Penny. Oh, some drop frame on the webcam there, but no worries. I don't think I have to do much there. No. But anyway, so the funny thing is that I did not make any prototype in terms for the base up until now, because I knew for a fact that it would have taken so much material. And now that I have it in hand, I might have made it a little too thick, just a tad little too thick. Maybe tad little too thick. So right now the wall of this thing is, one second, let's just measure via this tool here, handy tool here on PCAT 3.6. That is, if we divide it by 0.4, is how many wall? 0.4. Yeah, 3.6. So take 3.6 divided by 0.4. We got 9 walls. And yep. So it would bring back to the view of the printer very quick. If you see that row of orange stuff there, it was half full. No, it's almost full when this whole print started. And yeah, I'm not exactly keen to try to do that for keep that going for all the layer on top of this thing, which there's going to be a carbon layer, and then there's a filter layer, HEPA filter layer. So I guess the first thing I need, among other things, what I'm going to need to do with this now is that I need to reduce the size of this wall. But that's not the only thing though, because another thing that's going to be breaking for the model. Yeah, I think it's like 14-hour print, 400 grams of material. So it's bonkers. I did, funny enough, because I set it up yesterday when I was tired, by late yesterday. So I was tired, so I didn't notice how much material that was until it actually came down to this morning, when I woke up and I go like, wait a minute, that row of filament right there seems a little smaller than it's supposed to be now. So just waste all the material, almost half of my material on this thing, which is not great. So yeah, so decreasing the wall of this thing is one very important thing. Second, decreasing the thickness of the base here. The base here is 5mm thick, and that had some very obvious effect here. Well, you can see the line right there already. But yeah, so for those who don't know, ABS like to warp, and the best way to have an ABS to warp is have a flat, thick plate, if that makes sense. So you've got a flat, big, thick plate. What happens is the topmost layer, so that layer there, is in the inside the model. They're gonna contract, because it's it's high up from the build plate. It got more moment of more leverage. Yeah, that's the word. More leverage over the bottom, and it's gonna pull the bottom up. So when it print that topmost layer, it pull the bottom up, and that it causes it to warp for one, and it create this line across that bottom there. And the only way to fix this, well, there's two. One is you create some triangle bit here, just break up the first topmost layer to break up the tension that these things can cause when it contracts. And two is reduce the thickness of this bottom. And once again, just like the wall, this bottom here is definitely too thick for what I wanted for what I need to do. So yeah. Oh, and lastly, so material thickness beside, there's one other problem that I just realized when I picked this up. So if we look at the cat now, if you look at this fan at the back here, this is okay, as in like this orientation, this layout is okay, as in that fan is funneled through underneath that fan, and all go out either that hole or that hole over there. That's fine. But now that you look at this, now that I have this in hand and have a look at it, and you realize this fan can go diagonal. So instead of going straight across like that, it can go diagonal like that, which will reduce the yeah, changing infill type can also help. Yep, actually, that's true. I use this is the normal cubic infill. So yeah, making something slower, no, so making something like gyroscope, gyro would definitely help. Yeah. So anyway, what was I? So this fan here right now, is where I left off. It can be left diagonal. And I think that will reduce the amount of space that these two fans take. So I can have the access port a bit bigger, give it more space. Gyro, yeah. Oh yeah, so that's the idea. Obviously, the problem with all of this is, you see all this tree here, all this thing that I have done over the past 2 weeks. Yeah, they all need to go. I can import some of this back in. Nope, I cannot take the attention out. Well, I'm not gonna get rid of this file, obviously, but at the same time, I can't really use this. I need to rethink my way of how I construct this cat, because as it is, this fan positioning here is locked in, and so if I were to try to change anything, no, I cannot change anything, and where this fan is located, for one, and two, yeah, they're locked in, but they're not locked in perfect positioning. If that makes sense, because what do you call? Yeah, because I didn't know how to do it right. So what I had done is I just like eyeball it where they're supposed to be, and that's why you get this very sharp turn between the two pieces here. So this funnel bit, it is just an extrusion. That one is the shape of the output of the fan, and I just like, I don't know, just additive loft it together, and this loft is very it's very drastic change in form, which is not good for airflow. It's not horrible, as in like I mean, I make sure that the cross section is the same across this, and actually it's a bit bigger on the triangle side, but yeah, this is not ideal. So yeah, oh no, I woke up with a bad. Yeah, never mind. I'm not gonna complain again. It's we have complained enough for today, so I'm gonna make that small. In fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off the camera so that I can lock in that little picture and maximize this now. And I'm gonna work on this all day. So that's that. Okay. I need to turn the music back on for myself. One sec. Alright. What of this can I take? Because I do want to take something. Alright, I want to take the so that, what's this? Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's sandwich system ain't working too well either, so rethinking that is up the order, top output. I'm gonna change the entire shape, so I reckon that go. Trapdoor, yeah, the trapdoor motion up and go, servo mount can go, base can go, get rid of all that. Yeah, this is the fan. I'll keep that. That's very important. I know. What's this? Ah, this is even an older version of everything. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Yeah. I think I'll get rid of everything except for the fan. Let's do that. All right. Yep. Guys. Oh yeah. Oh. Save that. Ah. Now that I think about it, I should have called this V1.0 because it's such a drastic change. But too late. It says it's my project anyway, so I get to name it. This one was over sick of this. Alright, so how do we do this? You know, the first thing I think I need to do is to define the box that I'm going to be working in. Yeah, let's do that. Because ultimately, we need to define the boundary of our workspace before we can start working on it. Right, so I'm just gonna say this is the boundary. Box boundary. Base boundary. Okay, and there. Alright. What are you doing? Alright. This is fun, yeah. Draw on that. There's that. They're gonna be a 2 like that. Actually, let's use centered. Yeah, let's use the centered version. It's 2. So it was actually that's one now. Box was that much size of the box again. Dimension was, yeah, I totally forgot all the numbers, so I need to have a ruler really quick. 75. 74. Hello? That's not what 74. 75. 75. One is 270. 273. I swear it's supposed to be bigger than that, 275, but I think it's straight a bit because I think it's 275, but because you know, plastic is straight. I got to go to show. Oh, actually, I don't need to guess this. I got a picture. Yeah. In terms of that one bit. Let me open that. Let me find it. No, it's not here. Picture. Yeah. Screenshot. There's no way I don't have a picture of this. Come on. There we go. So, on the window. Go to screenshot. There we go. Here's didn't work. We do this. Right. I wish this thing was slightly more useful. Yeah, okay. I give up. I can't show it. But it's saying here on my picture of the 215 Voron is 279.2 for the available space. I am keen to make use of all of that, so I'd say 275 was the right choice for me. So I have 2 points. And maybe we should route this corner now as well. Oh no, wait a second. Don't make my model so right. Oh no, wrong one. Extrude that. And the base. I shall let you be definitely not 5. Said 5, maybe 3. One top. So 1 millimeter. So because my setting is 5 layered for the top and 5 layered for the bottom, so it's basically for a 2.5 millimeter layer height. That means 1 millimeter top, 1 millimeter bottom, and we get some space in between for infill. That layer for infill is important because that mean there is there's room for any over extruded bit to build in. So I reckon 3 is what we should go for. Right, so that's the rationale behind 3. Of course, grab that thing again, draw on it. Not the previous version. So that. We draw a box, and we make it centered. We're making it symmetrical. No, not those two. Actually, yeah, those two is fine. Symmetrical. Yeah, so those 2 points are symmetrical over this point in the middle. Write that down to this box to center around the other one. For the wall, I would say 3.6 is definitely too big. 1.6 is the same as I really should not have disabled the camera. Alright, let's turn the camera back on. Yeah, 1.6 is the same thickness as this thing here, I think. Same thickness as this original Voron back bit. Just double check that. Name there. Yeah, 1.6, 1.8 is around how thick that is. And yeah, that's. And you can see it's very flimsy. This layer is very flimsy, And the reason why this thing is even still rigid is because there are two very thick bits over here and here. This is 4, this is 4, no, this is 4, this is a little bit less than 4. So these two walls actually keep the whole structure together, and along with all the curve on this thing here, so all this curve and geometry actually support each other and make it more rigid. So I will do something similar I'll do something similar for this thing now. Oh, wait. I'll do something similar for this guy. And I'm just gonna minimize that. Oh, and make that 2 mils. So that one was 1.6. I had to one more layer line. Not layer line, what do you call? Extrusion line, whatever. And so that makes 2. And as for this guy, I reckon, oh my god, why you do this? For this one, I say make it a 4. Make it a 4 mil, so it's slightly thicker than the other. This is the version that we are having right now, the prototype. But so it's good for now. We want to keep that. Yeah, that should be fine. Of course, fine. If it's more, then we can reduce it. Okay. We're gonna organize my desk here. Okay, so that's that. Oh my, wrong button. Grab that. Grab these 2 points. Avoid the origin. There's the origin, and with the height, let's make it 100. Oh, no, the height. Go to 0 behind that. Right, just hold on to that for now. Save. And I make a sampling. Now we're trying to sort them out all together. Oh, so a base first, and that one back down. Okay, and then we add 2 fans. Okay. Just there, whatever there. Let's make sure that this one hit the bottom on that floor. So definitely sit on the bottom like that. And now, do I merge this? Make it a tight check. Make it a change. Would this work? Yeah, it worked. Okay, that. Because we are in the assembly workbench, which is a very buggy mess, and I do not want to lose anything. So can I do this with this the same with this? No, I cannot. Because that one is the curve. So yeah, I think we just have to do it the same way we did last time and just eyeball this one. Leave it at that. So I'll lock it in. Yeah, now that's that. I just lock it in. So I accidentally move it. Edge should go to that wall. So Oh, and of course that one. Oh, all right, I take that back. One important thing right now is that two-face is parallel. Okay. So yeah, parallel. Yeah. Oh my. That one need to be touching. Oh my, where you going? Save that first. I don't know what's going on. Oh wait, hello. See? Oh, what's going on? I wish there's a more elegant way to do this. Nope. Straight lines up. Yeah, just grab. Oh wait, does that work? Oh my god, that did work. Cancel. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again. Ah. Oh wait. Oh no. Alright, I am pretty sure something just broke. Let's just remove that. Oh wait, no, I got it. We don't need that. Second time, use a transform tool here. Nope, not that one. Good. Go back in there. Transform. Okay. Didn't work. Ooh. So someone should when we were trying, we were half-assing it. Oh wait, yeah, we were just spin it. And make this toggle transparency really quick. Oh, it's flying. It's flying over there now. Alright, so plug in. I don't think we need to be that exact, do we? Keep close, like that. And yeah, that's about right. Now the rest of this is can be in that funnel. And the funnel look okay, with the funnel look okay. Oh, I still can do this. That distance there. Get rid of that parallel now because I want a distance here. Those two, give it a distance. And out, wrong way. Yeah, that is much more easy to record. About there, 61 mil. No, so the swinging door currently is 49. So 61 is actually a lot for what I'm in comparison to what I had it before. And one thing that I also noticed here now is that the funnel bit doesn't have to come all the way here before it curves down. It can just stop right there, can it? Alright, so let's just do this first. I said okay. Just put the 61 in. Obviously, the thing that is absolutely let's just move this one away out of the way just a little bit. Get rid of that really quick. So I want to give it some room here because later on we need to make a little sort of a spout for this on the top here, so like a little bit of spout here, and it's better to have some room at the back so that we can just maneuver the fan down before we put a spout over. Okay. But because of that, I reckon I need to decrease this a little bit. Oh no, not that. Make that a little more. Maybe a couple millimeter at least. How much is millimeter? Not much. Alright, let's not. That should be fine. Yeah, okay, let's get that. So that should be where the fans are. Okay, now that as well. So fan, so assembly. Oh no, I'm gonna rename that. And assembly. Yeah, because that's pretty much all there is on that. This is starting the next sketch. Here. All that. And for this, I make a clone of that because we are that basically. So that same thing. We the same reason we want the boundary of the base first before we start working on it. In that new base, we are now going to get these two reference point binder. Like so. Now we just need to build the stuff around it. Start with that base there. Make a little random plate, or just a mid plate. Draw it. Grab. Just that, and oh no, I don't need that. need that one. The wall. The wall. The wall. We don't need that wall. Alright. Concentration. We got there. Give it something and for the orange. We can fix the orange in a bit. Just finish drawing this. The reason why it's orange is these two here. And that one. Oh. But I should get the that one. That one. The gap here is 0.2. That works seems to work very well thus far with my current printer setup. Also, but I said that, but then I just remember that someone was complaining in Discord yesterday how tight that some of the torrent is. So, but that one too gonna be kind of pain in my system, as I found out some time ago. Stupid. Gotta wait up. Yeah. I reckon we cut the hole in there as well. Get rid of that. Add a point. There. Bring the top to the vertical. The bottom here. Ooh, the bottom here can move. So. Alright, so how thick is this wall now? This wall, I reckon I keep them as 0.3 and I'll just like the previous. No, keep it as 3 mil. Same as the bolt, the size of the bolt, that is probably gonna hold it in place. Yeah, so we do that. That one extruded. Okay, so the same random way, let's draw. We draw this. Silent. Oh no. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That was what I was saying when I said the 0.2 tolerance is gonna be at the bane of my existence. Now to select sketch or else you have to just draw it. That face, screw it. Yeah, that is all I needed to be. Now I just needed to funnel it down to that one there. Make it halfway. Yeah. Oh no, let's just get it to. Okay, so maybe there's good body. Yeah, it's good. Okay. So what we did before, that we chopped this in two. One we fold it straight back, and the other one fold downward. I reckon what I'm gonna do. Create an addendum here. That is. I'm gonna move it back to about there. Okay, not there. So I can put it in that there. Okay, that's fine. Alright. So that's all because when we fold down the triangle cut out into the rectangle of this guy. Well, we want to do that obviously, but what we don't want is for that fold to push against the back of this fan in front of it. So that's why what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna define where and define the first bit. I will make it two additive block. Well, four actually. Two is from that plane to that plane. The other one is from that plane to that the spout here. So let's draw. Yes. That side, yeah, this side. Here, that like that. So we wanted to avoid, so from the base of the last extrusion, we definitely do not want any material on this side, that's for sure. And we definitely want it to go lower from there to there. And hopefully that little space underneath here is enough to make up for the volume that we're gonna lose on top. I mean, we should try. I can't calculate it, unfortunately. Because in fact, yeah, these two triangles are about the same, right? But about the same. But this one is a bit bigger. Let's make sure this is up first. Three. So we're gonna go up and down here. Oh wait, no, I can count. I can measure that. Don't need to be percent, so I'm just gonna mention here 23.8. That is in there, so we want to keep that the same as this one. No, these two equal. Oh, we don't need. I don't need to put a number here. That's my dad. Yeah, so now these two triangles are the same. So when I cut that out, it should be that the whole space would come down to the same. So the cross-section area is the same as it's converged. Right? No. Yeah, I took all that back. Oh my. Take all that back. I don't need that line, don't need that line. Yes, this choke will be a little bit of a choke point, really. Make that on it. I want to make this choke point as light as possible. Alright, 20, 20. Maybe 19, 20. Okay. And for that sake, let's draw the other one as well while we're at it. Drop that. Yeah, like so. Save that. Like that. And this. Okay. This one is really straightforward because I just need that. So instead of oh, okay, yes, fine. Yeah, we just this one you hide blender. Shift two. Oh, we don't need that one. Leave. Then I grab. Oh, wait, a bit more. These two should be normal. Oh, alright. Anyone double on that? No, no. Want to send that away. Let's roll it again. Top way. And the last one with I'd rather use the base sketch here. Ooh. Normal. That's so. Oh, that. Alright, yeah. That knob on top is that shape there to additive lock. So see. Okay. These two they go together. Okay. What's this going on in the middle there? Something's going on there. Is that okay? Can we ignore it or can we? Yeah, we shouldn't ignore it. It's they're not fully analog to each other. I reckon we can deal with the first one here. Not that one. That one. Instead of doing there, I reckon I can make this like so. Oh my god, that did not go well. This one, won't get bunker because of that. Probably due to that sketch. Yeah, that sketch definitely got bunkered. Why do you do that? Oh, right, because you make it parallel. Really. Oh, and that one should be data. Super. But instead of one side there we go. Now that line in the middle got fixed. Oh, what's that in the bottom? What's this? Why did you exist? And at what point did you start to exist? Ah, did I penetrate the bottom? Penetrate the bottom. Oops, that's not good. Oh, right, because, yeah, okay. Should not be there. Sorry, grab that one, right? Okay. Now we take that funnel and funnel it down here. Now we so far, if you may notice, I have specifically trying to have a four corner, a shape with four corners to block to each other. That makes it a lot easier. Now I got B. Because we are thinking. Oh. Shape. And 3. I think 3 is a bit too big, but we'll see. Avoid making the 2 point meet there. Just in case I need to get rid of it later. And actually, that's destroyed. Oh no, okay, so let's try the other one too while we had it. Oh right, I need to give it some. I need to give it some. What's it called? Some tolerance. This. This is for not. But let me just continue for now. Get it done. Just been done first. So keep them separated. That's why I didn't give the thought on here. What I didn't do is to do the same thing over this side. I'm stuck. Reading that line to then re-add it because there was no other way to release it. First, everything on that second mark is reference to that first one. It must be 7. Yeah, so maybe 0.4 actually, not 0.3, not 0.2. 0.4. The reason is that right now it's currently meshing against the wall by touching it. So I want to, if you want to have something on both sides, we need to add double it up on this side. Oh wait. Ah, let's see it. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking about how the loft may, the additive loft may turn out to be, but I genuinely don't know. I don't know. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Okay, so surprise. How am I doing? What am I doing? Cancel that. Going to go away. I don't need that. I need that, and then that. Yep. I'm going to lock together. Okay. That one come together. Still quite a sharp bend, isn't it? Quite sharp bend here. And that cross section at that point there is definitely the worst for this fan. But I don't think there is any other option, do we? Yeah. Oh, I just noticed. Ah, I got the. No, because I just noticed this. It's not as straight as I want it to be. If anything, it should just be one line coming straight in. It's not. What is that? What's this? That one. Yeah, something wrong with this one. So let's bring back. There's that one there, so we want that one. Okay, yeah, right, so something's up. Why are you? Yeah, I want this to be there, not there. So why are you there? Oh, because you because of that, isn't it? Yeah, it should be there. Oh, I got it. Okay. So. Yeah, that way now it's a straight line between there and there. So there might be a better way to do this, but this is the way that I had used. Oh, you know how? What's the best way to do this? This thing to be at an angle, not that, like that. That one. That one. No, I don't want either. That one. Yeah, that one. Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe not having these two be immediately horizontal. Just parallel first. Deep down as well. Something like that. Yeah, okay. One line like so, and another line like that. But this one, center, that touch both of these. Line. That line is basically this line here. Get rid of that. Oh, there we go. And now, there's no center point function here. Oh my. Are we bringing it in? I don't know why this thing persistently vertical, even though it's not supposed to be, but yeah, actually it does not matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, because it's passed through that point there. Okay, so this should go something like that. And that shouldn't be 3. This distance should be 3. What? Oh, because okay, that shouldn't be 3 either. This distance should be 3. Alright, pull it down, pull it down. What's that? Oh, more parallel. The same thing, this distance, yeah, should be 3, yeah. That one was supposed to be 3. Because that one meant to be one on the bottom, so this is just there to just so it's a little softer than go down. I may remove the center bit here, just bring this up a little bit so that's a curve. It wouldn't matter too much, wouldn't it? No? Not at all. It's just aesthetic. Okay, don't do that. Don't bother. If they would ever to be doing anything, they will be trying to soften this even more. This one. Extrude that 4 mil. 2 mil, give it 2 mil. Do it. So. Okay. That actually still might be too much, but we'll see. This touch the wall. Face. Oh, no, not what are you doing? Okay, let's not do that. I mentioned. Okay, we do 1 mil. Alright, that's gonna be impossible to try to go back and fix if it ever broke. Just say the one. The bottom bit is a little bit. Oh no, it should be fine. Not like you. Should go fine. And oh no, this is still looking quite sharp of a bend for the airflow to go, but I think that's the best we got for now. Oh, right. Speaking of which, I think I should make this taller now, actually. Yes, I'll give the base value a little higher. Okay. Okay, do that. That's too tall. That's too tall. Oh, fine. Okay. Yeah, that's about that. Yeah, that's enough. Because I'm thinking that this gonna be screwed down by a wedge, right? Wedge, I'm gonna wedge between. What is it? Yeah, there should be like a little V-shaped wedge just in there, so that I can pass a screw with bound this fan to this wall. Should I do that? Should I just punch a hole on the other side? Screw it on to the other side. I mean, I did last time, but last time I actually declared anything. By the way, can I look at that? Top part. Okay, that worked. It doesn't. Yeah, just curious about that one. Yeah, it worked out. Oh, how about that one? Yeah. This is not a face, it's like a little twisted plane. The fact that this functional at all is a miracle in of itself. The other side of this fan, if I extend that, would be we're gonna stand in the way of that fan, I'm sure. But I can do that on top, but I cannot do that on the bottom. So the bottom fan, this it should be mounted on this side. For one, I think that should be 1 and 2, maybe 4. Oh, actually, base. No, I immediately touching it with that one. Yeah, like that. Nice. Now I think we need to decide. So I need to decide what to do with this. How to screw this in before I change this, because the face that this sketch is based on don't need to be parallel with that face there. In fact, even here, it's better off being a little diagonal, not a bit of an angle. That would help with the this move here, which is too drastic for airflow to be good. So the leading, so my leading, what is it? My leading thought on how to get this connected to that wall right now is to give this wall a little dimple of some sort, and then make a wedge here. Then we're gonna assemble them by screwing the dimple to put a hole to the wall, and we're gonna screw it to the wedge. So the wedge it will be attached to the fan, and then the wall gonna be attached to the wedge. Yeah, I think we can go with that. But because anyway, we go back. I think we go back there for now. Direction. Okay. Y. Tilt it in the Y direction just a bit. And what that means ultimately, I don't need to make sure that there's a flat plane beneath this fan either. Okay, so I can redraw somewhere really quick. There we go. Ooh, okay, break out a little bit. Dicey, because now it's the same. Interesting. Oh right, because yeah, it's still the same sketch, but okay, we can use this reference. Why is it? Because when you reference a line, it's gonna pick the shorter distance to like project the line to the plane. And when when I tilt the plane, the projection of that edge there down to this plane that we're working on is actually around here somewhere instead of there. So I need to do that there now. In fact, everything is kind of broke now because of that. Same thing about happening to the point in the back here. You see this? Yeah, it will. See, it doesn't go straight down. Oh, but I can do this? No. Well, plane. Yeah, I can plane. That's not normal, but Just give me what I. Oh my god! Don't get out of that. Oh, okay. This is vertical. And because we know the wall is 2 mil, right? We just leave it at that. And this should be dependent on the other. Yeah, it should be dependent on this end here. So there. Dear I, here's you now just for the 2 heads. So the printer can use it on 200 watt. I don't know what you mean. I don't the 2 head is about 40-60 watt each. 40 is the normal one and 60 is the high flow one. So times that by 5. Obviously, if you had 440 watt one, you will barely hit 200 watt heating capacity, but not that far off. So what that means is I personally wouldn't bother adding another PSU just for the 2 head. It's felt like a waste to me. But I do know someone in the Voron Discord, no, not Voron Discord, on Discord, the MissChanger Discord, who were having trouble with high flow nozzles. So yeah, with that go. Yeah, if we add like things like the box turtle and all that, start adding things up, the 200. Once you start adding things in, the 200 watt power supply can become a bit of a limitation. Oh yeah, it's not that I have nothing against it. It's just it's all down to, for me personally, it's all down to money. Like, and if it costs money, then I'll always sit back and think for very long and hard on how whether I actually gonna go for with it or not. I think I just compatibility. Those two don't take much power. The only everything in your system will take very little power. The only thing that is that almost barely perceptible, the one thing that do take a lot of power is the motor and the heater. So those are, so if you add motor and you add heater, yeah, that is when you need to go, okay, should I add a power supply or not? But if you add LEDs and camera, yeah, once again, you can plug a 1 meter into wall and test it. I did, and it never it for me it barely I that's more like a rounding error for me, those two. Ooh, and also I may have just shot myself in the foot with this guy. God damn. How many? Yeah, I was trying to give this trying to give that wall a little more runway before it make that short bend, but by doing so, I inadvertently create interference with this fan, which is annoying. So now I fix it. Actually, not too happy about that. Do that though. Yeah, let me try one more thing, and if it doesn't work, yeah, cancel. Just can't see it. Cheap. Yep. Yeah, I need to not flip the fan at least at the corner there. Okay. No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, if you use something that require the Z to move, that definitely gonna happen. Okay. It's not even two. God damn. Yeah, just see. Yeah, looks like just a lot better. Honestly, there's still some. Oh, not okay. Okay, this is perfect. Alright, see what the other one do. Let's lock this down first, and then see what the other one do. Oh my! Really good. What was that? Alright, this angle 50. 60 is good still. Speed. Okay, so yeah. Okay, that's barely they made it. Okay. That may come up into the print as a problem, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get ahead of it and put a 0.5 here. Okay, that's that. Don't need to which one? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Alright. Alright, I believe that is that. Not perfect. this it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. This is gonna be that wall. That fan is gonna attach to that wall, not that wall. So I don't need that wall to be straight, be parallel with the fan at all. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, that's just imagine. So we're doing all this again next time. Does that sound very likely right now with all this? How big this is, and how unwieldy it can get. So this, I reckon. 7 is good enough. No, not 6. 10 is a little excessive. Okay. 7 excessive. All right. Now do the mounting. This guy, oh, this one can go from this corner coming in. Oh. And this one can be threaded in from this side. That's good to know. And then we'll thread that one in from this side as well. Okay, let's do that. Ow. Oh. I use an Bluetooth earbuds to for the mic, and the problem with that is, well, this thing is not uncomfortable, very uncomfortable to wear long term. Also, for those for everyone here, I'm going to end the stream quite early today. It may be at 2-hour mark, so another 20 minutes or so. Partly because I need to go to bed. Make sure to wake up tomorrow. Gotta go. So I shall give that on it. Oh no, why are you doing it? Away. Give me the hole. Show me the hole. And show me the bottom as well. Oh yeah, the bottom. I can use that bottom. Yeah, and what I'm going to do is I use that. Like so. Let's do that. Get these one not construction. Yes, so I have that little bulge looking thingy right there. I don't want it to be there. I want this edge to touch. So yeah, 70 is fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Let's just give this one of them. Okay. Oh no. Make this 8. This thing is good. Itself is 6. It's 8. The screw itself is 6.5. Oh no, it's the head of the M3 bolt is 5 mil or 6 mil. So 6 mil. So we will drill a 6 mil hole and add 2 mil on each side. So it'll be 10. All right. 2 mil is a bit much, isn't it? How much is a mil? Oh, okay. All right. Go. Make it 9. Make it 9. Too tired to put on numbers. Make it 9 and then give this one. Oh yeah, this dimension is more important than the angle, because that will allow me to put 4 is 10 line, isn't it? Yeah. So, ooh, I might have shot myself in the foot with making that one a 9. Let's see. The face. It may need to be lower. No, not. Alright, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Good. The last one. Draw the other one. Smell. Away. Same thing. Bottom bit. Maybe so as if I've done it before. Dimension, radius 1. This 10. That one. These 2 points going down up. Dimension is 4. Yep. Closed it. Extrude. Extrude. West extrude. Copy paste. Okay. Save. No, shall. Where's that face? Another construction. Put the back it up. Round about there. No, a bit more. There, yeah, so that line there, cut to there, roughly. That one's not it, okay? And draw on it. And now I need control, V3, see the wire. Okay, so I'm gonna grab circles. Put my own circles in. And these circles are not really important. Oh, but I do need them to be the same. No, I just need to lock them down. Make it 5. Yeah, 5. 5 is good. That's good. Because the reason why they don't matter, because I'm using this function here, which took care of everything. Someone is smoking weed near in my house. Yeah, and very thick stuff too. I want to go down. Yeah, and I'm just going to increase this until I got that. Yep, depth. This is too wild because we're not showing up on top, you know? Oh yeah, not there yet. Yeah, I keep doing it until I can see that board there going down decently. We figured out how deep that is in a minute, but we definitely need it to be deep. Okay. Ooh, right. I dare say the hole is not. Did not came. No, the random plane did not come out far enough. So just give that to 2 mil. Yeah. And I go back in the sketch to get it refresh. So no, you're not far enough. Oh wow. Okay. That should be right. Yeah, that's not it. Enough. Layer. Now that other one is definitely too shallow now. So here we are again doing it all over. Increase the number. Something's alright, yeah, to the side. Okay. What's the distance between those two? Yeah, 5 mil. That is perfect. The depth is 3. So actually, if anything, we should reduce it by 2. Oh. So that's around 6 or maybe 34, but add 2 more notch, just so that we got some room. Push the boat in a little bit more and make it flush. There we are. So now you can see the view, the viewing, it got a little bit messed up because that is also one of the problems. Yeah. Come on. View. Drawing style is okay. Okay, sorry, style. This is didn't work. I have to combo back and forth now. Wireframe. Like that. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, there's a little bug, FreeCAD bug there. You know what? I'm counting it that. I'm counting that a bug. It's not a big bug, but it's still a bug. So I'll make that a. So that's the 13 bug. The system. Save that. But now that line is secure. Now we need to deal with this one. Now we're dealing with this one. I know I was mumbling about a solution just now, but I actually don't really know. Or that yet. How to deal with this. Okay. Okay. Obviously, the best place to mount this is to this wall, that wall, to this wall, or that wall, because there's so much space in front of it, so we want to make use of it. But we can't just poke the hole through, can we? No, we cannot. You can see it if you look at on this. Oh wait, no, we can. If we look on this angle. If we look at this angle, we can punch a hole right through there. Right? Okay. But because there's always a but. Maybe we poke through on this side as well. Yeah, maybe we start punching a hole from there, from this plane to that plane, and then we can screw in from this side. Not with the one on the bottom though, on the bottom, because that one, if we extrude it, you see that the path of that little extension gonna get in the way of the airflow a lot. This one on top did some of that too, but not much. So I'm happy with this thing being a bit intrusive. So let's do that. What time? 10 Hey, there are 5 people watching, and only 3 of you have liked the video. So, oh, 4 people watching. There's a number written there. So, if you, the last person can give me a little like for the stream, that would be nice. Oh, what's that? We don't actually do it. We want to be able to end the play. That. This simple. And unlike the other two, I don't need to make this one too thick, right? Yeah, it's a very short one, so instead of 10 or 9, I reckon. Okay, 8 is 9 is fine, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's totally fine. Extrude that up the face. Okay, and just like the other one, we want to and there, recess it for a couple of dozen minutes. So, so that line there, that's it. That's it. Right, that's it, hole. For the board here, give it a dimension, plug it in, saw and drill it. Just drill, drill. Agree with that, that's dimension. Why is it not doing it to 100%? There we go. Yeah, very little. Oh yeah, actually. Now, we get that face. That is sort of formula D. Sort of. Okay, it's not clear at all, so it's alright. It should be more than 3 at least, so I'll just give it a that. Yeah, more than 3. It's okay. Leave it. Now, that one, if we want to do the same with that one, it's going to be annoying because it's going to interfere with 2 faces instead of 1. This one need to be done on this side, but we cannot we cannot do that in one go because this we need room on the top to put it down. If we push a little pin up like that, we won't be able to put the fan back in. No extension must be really quick. I want to see this. Start profile here. What's this? That's a contact base. That's 4mm. Right? Barely enough for a bulkhead. So whatever solution we came up with, we'll have a hole going right through it all. Wait, that'll count as someone. No. Not really, no, just start of something. Maybe I should make that bottom bit there a little wider. It's weird choking shape. We'll deal with that. We'll deal with the mounting point here later. Okay, so that's really quick. That one. It's that one. Yeah, maybe don't make these two parallel. Wait, okay, so that. Wrong one. That was the wrong one. Next one. Yeah, it's the next set. It's the next set too. So I gotta love these two. First is this one. Really? No, not that one. This one. Yeah, it's that one. That one would be not that one. That one. Just widen. That's a bit. Just tap and ground dimension. 3.6 here. Tad is double. It's not exactly a tad, but it works. It works. Yeah, that looks better. A lot better. Okay, let's just kind of see. Why? Oh, we may need to make the. We need to make that. That I just extend that to the wall, but that may not be that's not the right stuff. Because we need to make like a gate, not right now it's flush with the wall. I do wonder. This one. Yeah, because let's just get rid of that pad. Yeah, because this pad here is something that I don't particularly like. It's these two, in fact, both of these. That one just extend that a little bit. Over 2 mil. That one extend that edge there to touch the wall, but that may not be the best idea. So let me get rid of this. Yes. Let's see if it break anything. It did break something. Yeah, because that's one. Yeah, that's why is why I don't figure like the graphic, not just I just want to do up to face. Was it? Oh. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make some like a triangle bit here, just fill that in. Yeah, I got a little triangle here, fill that in, but not yet. Maybe it is. One second. Bottom. Put away. Just that. Rid of that. Make these two 90 degrees. Give this an angle. No, make these two equal. Look cooler. Let's do that. To face. Okay. Yeah. What time? Oh, it's 2 hours. Yep. Alright. Pretty short stream, partly because there was some internet issue early on, so I had to just literally had to stop and wait for the internet problem to solve itself. Nevertheless, for the people who did join, thank you very much. And thank you very much for joining in. Obviously, one of the things that I definitely did not do too much this time around is to explain what I'm doing. Hopefully that's okay. Yeah, again, I was thinking a bit too hard there. Yeah, we stop here. I'll be back tomorrow, maybe, depending on how much work I have to do, how much I felt in the evening. But yeah, if it does, I'll put on a note, like an upcoming like notification thingy, a few hours at a time, just to and yeah, hopefully that you guys can join me then. If there is, if not, then it will be either Friday or Saturday. That's when I'm definitely gonna stream, and a Sunday too, of course. So that's the plan for next week. If anything, thank you for watching, and I'll see you then.